In the distant lands of ancient Africa, far beyond the reach of Greek empires, there lived a mysterious people known as the Macrobians. Described by the Greek historian Herodotus, the Macrobians were said to be the tallest, most beautiful, and longest living humans on Earth. Some reports claimed they lived up to 120 or even 150 years. These people lived somewhere near the Horn of Africa, in what is now Somalia or Ethiopia. Their land was rich in gold, and their customs were unlike any known civilization of the time. Herodotus tells us that when the Persian king Cambyses sent gifts to impress them, the Macrobian king responded with a powerful message. If your king were truly just, he would not seek to conquer other lands. Their wisdom, strength, and resistance to foreign conquest made them legends in ancient texts. But today, few people know the name Macrobians. Their history, buried in myth and silence, remains one of Africa's most fascinating and forgotten stories. Join us as we explore the legacy of the Macrobians, a people whose time may have passed, but whose legend still echoes through history.